Small habits to learn English. I am Cody. I speak slowly for practice. Imagine waking up to a world where English feels like your second skin, and every thought flows without effort. We often think mastery requires hours of intense study, but the secret lies in the tiny moments of your morning routine. As you stretch and open your eyes, try describing your surroundings using simple adjectives. The light hitting the wall or the warmth of your blanket provides a canvas for your first thoughts of the day. By narrating your actions, like reaching for water or checking the time, you bridge the gap between thought and language. This approach builds a foundation for daily English practice without adding stress to your busy schedule. Focusing on clarity during these quiet minutes helps your vocal cords adjust to new phonetic patterns naturally. You might notice that saying words out loud while you are alone reduces the pressure of making mistakes later. Consistency in these early moments transforms your bedroom into a sanctuary for personal growth and language learning. It is about creating a mental environment where English is the primary tool for navigation throughout your day. Small steps lead to massive shifts in how you perceive your progress and potential as a global communicator. Trust the process every morning. Stepping into the kitchen involves more than just making coffee, because it is a chance to interact with a physical space in English. While the water boils, you can identify every utensil and ingredient within your reach to expand your practical vocabulary. Think about the texture of the bread or the aroma of the beans, using sensory words that go beyond basic labels. If you find yourself reaching for a spoon, say the word clearly to practice your vowel placement and resonance. This habit ensures that English listening practice starts with the sounds of your own environment and daily life. By the way, if you want to go deeper, I left some powerful resources in the description. They can really help you improve faster and feel more confident. You can check them after this practice. Integrating these tools into your routine makes every breakfast feel like a guided lesson in natural expression. Notice how your mouth moves when describing the heat of the mug against your palms during these early hours. The rhythm of the clinking dishes provides a background to your internal monologue about the tasks you must complete. You are not just learning a language, but weaving a new identity into the fabric of your existing habits. Believe in your growing abilities. Now, as you prepare to leave your home, the transition to the outside world offers a different set of challenges. Locking the door serves as a physical anchor to remind you that your immersion continues even in transit. Whether you walk to your car or wait for a bus, use the changing scenery to practice dynamic observation. Describe the movement of traffic or the colors of buildings you pass, with detail and speed. This exercise improves your English pronunciation by forcing you to articulate words while your body is in movement. Listen to the ambient sounds of the city and try to find the English equivalents for noises you hear around you. Maybe you see a neighbor and imagine how you would greet them using a variety of formal and informal phrases. Mental rehearsals prepare your mind for sudden social interactions that might occur during your commute. Physical movement often helps in loosening muscles around the jaw, which is essential for clear speaking. You might notice a sign on a storefront and try to translate its meaning or predict what is sold inside. The world becomes a living textbook when you approach every street corner with curiosity and a desire to learn. Every street corner is helpful. Arriving at your workplace or place of study introduces a layer of social complexity that tests your persistence. Before you enter the building, take a deep breath and set a small goal for your interactions today. It could be as simple as asking a colleague a question about their weekend or describing a task you completed. Focus on the inflection of your voice when you greet people to ensure you sound approachable and professional. Notice how others use their hands to emphasize points, and try to incorporate subtle gestures into your own speech. Active listening during meetings is a form of intensive English listening practice that requires your full focus. Pay close attention to phrases people use to transition between topics or to disagree politely with a suggestion. When you are asked for your opinion, try to provide a concise answer that prioritizes clarity over complex grammar. This professional environment demands a specific type of confidence that only comes from repeated exposure and trial. Small habits like writing your to-do list in English or labeling your folders can create a constant linguistic presence. Even during lunch breaks, you can observe the lunchroom conversations to pick up on natural speech patterns and fillers. Stay focused on your success. Now repeat these sentences with me. The morning sunlight filtered through the thin white curtains. I need to find a way to organize my schedule more effectively. Walking across the park always makes me feel incredibly peaceful. Could you please explain how this software handles the data? Success is built on the foundation of small, persistent actions. Learning a new skill requires patience and a positive mindset. The coffee at the local bakery has a very distinct roasted flavor. Everyone appreciates honesty and clarity in a difficult conversation. She decided to travel to a place she had never visited before. Technology continues to change the way we interact with the world. Drinking enough water throughout the day is vital for your health. The project was completed ahead of schedule thanks to our teamwork. Sometimes the best solution is the most straightforward one available. I am looking forward to seeing the results of our hard work. Consistency is more important than intensity when forming a new habit. The view from the top of the mountain was absolutely breathtaking. Can you imagine what life will look like 10 years from today? Practice makes perfect in every aspect of language learning sessions. Always remember to celebrate the small victories along your difficult path. The rain began to fall just as I reached the front door. As the afternoon arrives, you might feel a dip in energy. But this is a perfect time for passive engagement. Listening to a podcast or an English radio station while performing repetitive tasks keeps your brain tuned. You do not need to understand every single word to benefit from the rhythm and melody of the sentences. Allow the sounds to wash over you while you focus on your afternoon chores or your commute home. By doing this, you are training your ear to recognize common clusters of sounds and natural word endings. This habit supports your English listening practice by providing a constant stream of authentic input throughout the day. Notice how certain words flow together or how the pitch of a voice rises when asking a question. Observation of these subtle nuances is key to improving your pronunciation and sounding more like a native speaker. The way people emphasize certain syllables can change the entire meaning of a sentence in English. Think about the difference between a direct statement and a sarcastic remark based solely on the speaker's tone. Capturing these details requires a relaxed state of mind where you are not overanalyzing every grammatical rule. Let us take a moment to reflect on your own unique experiences and thoughts regarding these daily habits. What is the first thing you usually do after waking up from sleep? How do you feel when you successfully explain a difficult concept in English? Which room in your house provides the best quiet space for your daily practice? Can you name 3 objects currently sitting on your desk or your kitchen table? Why is it important for you to speak English more clearly than you did yesterday? Where would you like to travel once you feel fully confident speaking and listening? Answering these questions out loud helps you practice forming sentences without needing to read from a script or book. It encourages spontaneity and builds the confidence needed for real-world English speaking practice in different scenarios. Think about how your answers reflect your personal growth and your unique journey with the language. When you speak your thoughts into reality, you are strengthening the neural pathways associated with language production. These questions are designed to be simple, so that you can focus entirely on your delivery and overall clarity. Notice the physical sensation of the air leaving your lungs as you articulate each response with care. Practice makes the master today. In the evening, the pace of life slows down, and you can finally focus on a more structured form of reflection. Sitting down for 10 minutes to write in a journal or record a voice memo summarizes the events of your day. This exercise allows you to process your emotions and experiences while using the language in a meaningful way. Try to use past tense verbs to describe what happened, or future tense to outline your plans for tomorrow. Reflecting on your interactions helps you identify areas where you felt confident and areas that need attention. This level of self-awareness is crucial for improving your communication skills and developing a natural accent over time. You might find that certain words were harder to say when you were tired or under pressure earlier. Acknowledging these challenges without judgment is part of the process of becoming a more fluent speaker. The evening air often brings a sense of clarity that is perfect for consolidating everything you have learned. Consider how your daily English practice has already begun to change the way you see yourself in the world. Language is not just a tool for business, but a bridge to connecting with people from diverse backgrounds. As we close this session, remember that the journey of learning is a marathon and not a short or hurried sprint. Your commitment to these small habits of daily English practice will yield incredible results over the coming months. I want to hear from you in the comments about what topics you would like to practice in our next video lesson. Cody reads all of your comments, and he is truly here to support your language learning journey every step of the way. If you found real value in this lesson today, please consider subscribing to join our community of dedicated English learners. By subscribing, you ensure that you never miss a daily opportunity to refine your listening and speaking skills. Think about where you were just a few weeks ago and compare that to the confidence you feel right now. Language learning is a transformative experience that opens new doors to friendships and global professional opportunities. Continue to use the physical world around you as a laboratory for your experiments with pronunciation and expression. The small habits we discussed today are the seeds from which your future fluency will grow and flourish over time. Do not be afraid to revisit these paragraphs several times to fully master the rhythm and flow of the speech patterns.